Summer inspiration coming right up. Project number 1, Hello Sunshine. This is a sign that I got at Hobby Lobby, 90% off, so I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to be using this rub-on transfer. First, I'll give the sign 2 coats of Waverly White chalk paint. I did have to trim down the 2 side edges so that the transfer would fit inside the frame. This transfer was really a good deal from Dollar Tree. It actually had 2 transfers inside, and they were both large like this one. Now once it has been applied, I'm just going to burnish it down with my finger just a bit, and that is it for this DIY. I love the way this turned out. Project number 2, a lemonade pitcher. I found this metal pitcher at a thrift store or a garage sale for $1. I'm going to give it a coat of this Rust-Oleum spray paint. I used my computer and printer to print the word lemonade, and I'm going to tape it on some graphite paper and trace over it with a pencil. Once I remove the graphite paper, I'm going to use a paint pen and trace over the letters. I did go over it twice so that I could make the letters just a little bit thicker. I apologize, I know you can hear the dogs in the background, but it's that time of day where they're barking at everyone walking down the street. Now we can dress this up with some stems from Dollar General. The lemon stems were $3 each from Dollar General, and then this leaf stem was $2. I love the way this turned out. It has a very summery vibe. I'm excited for this video to be part of a playlist called Summer Look Off the Hook, hosted by CJ, Christine, and Jackie. Be sure and check out their channels listed in the description box below, and be sure and check out the playlist as well. There will be lots of summer inspiration for you there. Project number 3, sunglasses holder. For this project, I'm using this sunglasses wood piece from Dollar Tree, as well as 2 Lincoln logs that I got at a thrift store. I'm just painting the 2 Lincoln logs with Waverly Black ink chalk paint and gluing them onto the sunglasses. I am gluing them with the indention side of the Lincoln log up. This will keep your sunglasses from sliding off. Project number 4, palm leaf hook. This palm leaf hook is from Dollar Tree from last year, I believe, and I'm going to be using some of this Dollar Tree sticky wallpaper. I'm placing the palm leaf onto the paper to decide exactly how I want the print to show. I'm going to trace around it, and then I will cut it out with my scissors. I removed the peg hook and I'm just scraping off the hot glue that was there so that I can apply this sticker to the front. I was so afraid of wrinkling this sticker that I decided to place it face down on my desk and then place the palm leaf on top. That did work, surprisingly. Now all I have to do is go around and trim off the excess. But first I'm going to make a hole where that peg goes and put it back in. I'm going to use my finger sander to sand off the excess in the places that I can. The little nooks and crannies, I did have to use a fingernail file. I did like the gold on the peg, so I'm going to go around the outside of the palm leaf with some rub and buff in gold. This piece feels like it came right out of the Beverly Hills Hotel. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below, as well as our hosts' channels. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye now.